this session we will learn how to work with the options which are in Insert tab. We already learned about pictures, clip art and these options in MS Word. So, we will see the options which are not covered in MS Word. First option is Perviate Table. It is also known as Cross Report. First, we have to give some data. Here we can see some of them are clerks, managers and programmers. And their department numbers are 10, 20 and 30. Here we can observe that we have some repeated data in department number and job. Next, we have to click on the cell that where we have to create the Perviate table. Now click on Perviate table. Here we have the option Table and Chart. Select the option Table. Now we have to select the range of the data. And there is no need to select the employee number and employee name. So I am selecting Job, Basic and Department number. Here we have to select the option New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet. Already we have selected this location and click on OK button. Here we can see the table field list and we have to select these fields as a column labels, row labels and values. So first we have to click and drag the job field to the column labels. Here we can see the jobs in Perviate table. Next, we have to click and drag the department number to the row labels. And finally, we have to drag the calculated field that is basic to this area. Now the Perviate table is created. Here we can see the grand total in department wise. And these are the grand totals for clerks, managers and programmers. And we can also observe that the grand total in department wise and grand total in job wise are equal. This is the Perviate table. We can also select chart for this data. So select Insert, Perviate table, Chart. Here we have to select the range and click on OK button. Now we have to place the lesson fields, summary fields and access fields. So we have to place the job to lesson field. Next we have to click and drag the department number to access field. And finally we have to drag the basic in calculated field. Now we can see that the jobs are placed as a lesson fields. Basic is placed as a calculated field and department numbers are placed as a access field. Like this, we can create Perviate chart. Here we can see the Perviate table is also created automatically. Now I am removing this chart and table. In Insert tab, we can create different types of charts. When we click on this icon, then it will show different types of column charts. And if we click on this option, then it will show all types of charts. Or we can also select the charts directly like line chart, area chart, pie chart, etc. Now I am selecting 2D column chart. Here we have to click on the option Select Data. Now select the fields Employee Name, Job and Basic. We can see that the chart is created automatically and here it shows the jobs along with their names. and basic is shown as a lesson field. If we click on switch row or column option, then it will shows like this. Basic is placed here and these are become as a lesson fields. Now again I am selecting switch row or column option. Once we prepare the chart, then again we can change the chart type. So here I am selecting pie chart. Now we can see the pie chart. And again I am selecting column chart. Like this, we can change the chart types. With the help of this option, we can prepare this chart as a template. Here we have to save the chart by giving file name. Then we can see this chart in templates in change chart type option. Next option is switch row or column. Already we have learned about this option. Next one is quick layout. Here we can see different types of layouts. With the help of this option, we can set the position for titles, lesson, etc. Like this, we can use quick layouts. Next, we have different types of chart styles. In Layout tab, we have option Chart Title. With the help of this option, we can place the title above the chart or centered overlay chart. And here itself we can change the title for the chart. These are the axis titles. Here I am selecting the option Title Below Axis. Now I am giving axis title as a Jobs and Employee Name. Next one is Lesson. Here I am selecting this option. Then it will shows at the top of the chart. And again I am selecting the option Show Left. Then the lesson will shows at left side. If you want to show the data for this chart, then click on this option. Now it shows the data below the chart. Next one is Axis. Here I am selecting this option. Now it shows like this. So we can set different types of changes. Next, we can also select the grid lines like major grid lines, minor grid lines. Like this, we can select different types of options in Layout tab. In Format, we can select the options like line styles, colors, etc. When we create a chart, then we have to select its related information. All data is not suitable for all types of charts. For example, I am selecting the chart Scatter Only Markers. Now I am selecting the data. Here we can see the chart. Now I am changing the chart type. So select the different types of charts. Then we can understand that all types of charts are not suitable. Now I am selecting this chart. Then it shows the message. Some chart types cannot be combined with other charts. Select different chart type. Next I am selecting another chart type. Now it shows a surface chart must contain at least 2 series. So the chart will change according to the data which we selected.